Hi kids, welcome back to Gazzi's ABCs. Are you good? Awesome. Alright, in the last video we learned how to make the letter A with our body. In this video we're going to do the second letter of the alphabet. Do you know the second letter of the alphabet? Do you? Yeah, that's it. It's B. So, how do we make a B with our body? Let me show you. Firstly, we've got to put our hand on our head. And then we've got the first part of our letter B. Second, and this is difficult, so be careful. We've got to bring our leg and put it on our knee. So look, we're a B. Okay, can you do this? Yeah, awesome. So, we've got B. What food do you like that starts with B? I know what I like. Can you guess? It's yellow. Monkeys eat it. Yeah, it's a banana. Can you see the banana? Okay, so banana begins with B. And we go banana. Alright, so we go B, B, B. Banana, banana. 1, 2, 3. Can you count? 1, 2, 3. Good job. Okay, let's do it all together. But first, repeat after me. Are you ready? Okay. B, B, B. Banana, banana. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's do it together. Ready? Yeah. 3, 2, 1. B, B, B. Banana, banana. 1, 2, 3. Awesome, guys. I'm Gazzi, this is Gazzi's ABCs, and I'll see you next time when we learn the letter C. Bye!